Pokemon series. And this is the month of February, the year 2017. Welcome back, my friends. All right, let's do this simple activity. Here is your pictorial problem with some numerical representations here, which we have to solve. So the first one we're going to solve is 1/3 of 9. So here's 1/3 of 9. So simply what this is saying that the group is divided into three parts. Here's one group, here's another group, and here's the third group. So that's why there's a 3 on that denominator. And so now this one says 1/3 of 9. So 1/3, I know that this is 1/3 because this is one group of the three of these groups. And how many are in that one? There's 1, 2, 3, 3 triangles inside that group. So that's my answers, my friends. How simple is that? Follow the same steps for the second one. So now, but before we do that, we're going to show the multiplication way to solve this. So let me use a different marker. So if we have 1/3 times 9, that's what it means. This one says 1/3, which is 1/3 of a set of 9, which is 1/3 times 9. So now as a teacher, now we know that this is an apple because it's a fraction, and this is a banana because it's a whole number. So now we have to make them both bananas. So here's my banana. How do I convert the whole into, which is an apple, into a banana? Well, if it's a whole number, we're going to add a 1 in that denominator. There you have it. Now we can do the multiplication. 1 times 9 equals 9. 3 times 1 equals 3. Now we know that this is a division, which we're going to solve right now. 9 divided by 3. So the 3 goes into the 9 3 times. 3 times 3 equals 9, and the difference is 0. So this also helps us see that our answer is correct. So the picture is correct, and that the multiplication to check is correct. Okay, my friends, let's do the next one. Let's now find how much is, let me put a line right here. 2/3 of 9. Well, if I use the picture, I know that this is 1/3 and this is also 1/3. If I add these two together, it will be 2/3. How many triangles are there inside? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there is a number. That's the answer. Very easy, right, my friends, when you have a picture. But there will be times when there will be no picture, so now you have to be able to solve this. So let me show you now. So now we know that we have 2/3 times 9, because this is what it says. 2/3 is part of the set of 9. And to solve this, we have to convert. This is a fraction which we call a banana, and this is a whole number which we call an apple. To make these two numbers work, we have to convert the apple into a banana, which means the whole into a fraction, so we can multiply fractions. Now we're going to multiply. 9 times 2 equals 18, and 3 times 3 equals 3. This is a division. Let's solve it. So the division says 18 divided by 3. And the answer is 6. Oh, look, it's the same answer that we have here. 6 times 3 equals 18, and the difference between those two numbers is 0. So now we can say that 2/3 on the answer of 9 equals 6. Okay, so let's do one last problem, my friends, which is 3/3. If you look at this number, now we have to solve 3/3. So 3/3, oh, look at this. 3/3 of 9. So once again, we're going to move to our picture and look at this is 3/3. 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 3/3. And there are 9 inside, so guess what? The answer is going to be 9. Here's another way to see it. We're going to multiply now. We're going to multiply 3. Oh, this doesn't work. Let me choose another one. We're going to multiply now to show the numbers. 3/3 times 9. And as we said it before, to make this work, we convert the whole number into a fraction. This is going to be 9 times 3 equals 27, and 3 times 1 equals 3. When you divide those two numbers, 27 divided by 3, the answer is 9. And this is correct, my friends. So 3/3 of 9 equal 9. And let's write it up here because we forgot to do this one. So we know that 1/3 of 9 equals 3. Okay, my friends, review this easy and basic lesson. If you want to be successful, make sure you review it a couple of times. It's lesson 6, fractions of a set, with a picture and a multiplication method. Review it as many times as you want, my friends. Remember, life is going to be getting better if you make that happen.